Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a mukbang for you guys, and I'm going to be eating some delicious spicy chicken wings with the it's drenched in the Samyang spicy noodle sauce. They have their own bottles now that you can buy, and you can add it on to anything you like. If you have not tried the original spicy noodles, go ahead and do so. You will love it if you like spicy. But all right, let's just get right into it because I am hungry. I just got off work and I just picked up these oh my gosh, see, I'm drooling already. I just picked up these chicken wings, and yeah, so I need to eat it. So let's go ahead and start. I drenched it in the sauce. I hope it tastes good. The sauce is not spicy. It's more sweet. I mean, there's a little bit of a kick to it, but it's not that spicy. The sauce, you guys, it's like a little, it's not as thick as the sauce that's in the noodle packets. Now you guys, I have 5 bottles. I have one here that's already open, and then I have 4 more. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna add more because this thing is like, here, I'll show you guys how not thick it is. If you guys can see. It just runs like that. It's like, it's not thick at all. I don't know if I like that. It's not spicy. It smells just like the noodles though. Okay, I think I just need to shake it up more. This chicken wing is so crunchy. Guess what else I have? I have, okay, let me move these aside. Put these right here. You guys, I have some kopia. I need to eat it now before it gets cold. So, you guys are probably wondering where I got the chicken wing from. Well, remember, I'm located in Minnesota. These chicken wings, honestly, I think these are like the best chicken wings. Like fried chicken. Because they're actually like super crispy. The batter, it sticks onto the chicken. It doesn't really like, you know, fall off. I don't know, it's good. It's really good, like crispy fried chicken. And it's from a restaurant called Banana Blossom. I will leave some information right here or right here, one of these corners. It's located in Minnesota. In Minneapolis. It is a Hmong restaurant, Hmong-owned restaurant, and they serve all sorts of yummy food. My favorite thing from there is the copia and the chicken wings. Like, oh my god, this copia has no liquid right now because it's been kind of sitting. I love their copia and their chicken wings. It's so bomb. You guys, if you guys are in the area, go and check it out. Go try them. They're called Banana Blossom. And yeah, it's super good. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. See, okay, this is not spicy at all to me. No, no, no. But it's good. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it has a little bit of a kick now. Just a little bit. I'm gonna eat my copia. Oh my god. All right, guys, so one thing I also love to drink. Have you guys ever seen these? It's a white gourd drink. Focus. And I don't know. Ever since I was little, I would go to family events and these would be everywhere. I don't really see them nowadays at family events. Maybe it's just my family, but this is like really good. I don't really know how to explain it. You just gotta try it. Go look for it at your local Asian store. It is like the most refreshing drink ever. It's like, it tastes almost like coconut water, but not really. Before I eat my last chicken wing, oh, first of all, well, before I even say this, do you guys like my hair? I feel so refreshed. Like, oh my gosh, I just got my hair recently done. It's super red, as you can see. And I just feel rejuvenated. I feel refreshed. I just feel like myself again because, oh my gosh, my hair before was so ugly. It faded, you know, if you guys noticed or have been watching my video from the beginning, my hair was red. It was black and then red. And then it slowly started fading, and then I just, yeah, like never went to go get it re-dyed. And then it was like this ugly, like wannabe pink, and then it was just, yeah, it was just horrible. So I finally got my hair done. I'm so excited to share and show with you guys. I feel refreshed. But okay, enough about my hair. You guys will see it in many more videos. But okay, so you guys, here's the announcement that I just made up like right now. You know what? Because I have 4 bottles of these, I want to give 2 of them away. Okay? I want to give away 2 of these bottles. So, if you guys help me reach 200 subscribers, because right now I am at like 173. If you guys can share my videos, whichever video you want to share my videos, get people to subscribe to my channel. When I reach 200 subscribers, I will do a giveaway video, and you will have a chance to enter and win one of these. So there will be 2 winners. So 1 person per bottle. But that's only if I get to 200 subscribers within the next week. If you are interested, I will ship it to you. I will send it to you. I'll meet you at the park and give it to you. Whatever it is, you'll get it if you win. And it'll be another random drawing. So, yeah, I will do a giveaway video announcement once I reach the 200, and I will explain the rules. So when this video goes up, just the week from today. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, so let me finish my last one. Okay? I'm done, you guys. That was good. Do I recommend it with chicken wings? Most definitely. I recommend it with chicken wings. It's pretty good. It's really not spicy. You guys have seen me eat like spicier food. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button right here. And again, if you are interested in me doing a giveaway for these 2 bottles here, just help me get to 200 subscribers by next week by sharing my videos and having your friends and family subscribe to my channel. Once I reach 200 subscribers, I will then do a video giveaway explaining the rules and how you can win these. All right, okay, well that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.